Hey everybody, it's BC here, and welcome to another episode of Medieval Engineers. A little late on this episode. I've been dealing with back pain and whatnot, and then today I had the motivation to finally get around to make an intro video. Eh, Tell me what you guys think. Maybe work it a little bit. It's a little better than what it was, but anyways, I got a couple little projects for today. We got this kiosk here, and one of the things I've been putting off for a while is setting up a farm market. And I've actually been thinking about using one of these stalls for the farmers, for the farm market. And I'm probably going to choose this one over here because it's got more shelves. So I don't have any food on me, I don't think. So I might have to go and do a bit of a run. I still haven't cleaned up these chests. Got seeds galore. I also got to pick up the mushrooms and berries and whatnot. Whoa, what was that? Oh, well, what do you know? I got pumpkins at least. Gonna have to do some foraging though. Let's go see what we got. Tavern here. Uh, Fast travel to here. Oh yeah, some days I just get lost in this place. But let's see what we have for ingredients. Only have one berry. And got nothing on the shelves, nothing on the tables. I really love this visible inventory system. You know, maybe they'll come out with something for sticks that would make seem a little suitable, like a bin, and the sticks will actually be standing up in it or something. I don't know, but I guess I'm gonna have to go and do a bit of a run through the woods, get some berries, get some mushrooms, get some roots, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. I ran into a barbarian along the way and got another skull out of him, so that's good. So I went ahead and got a whole bunch of berries, mushrooms, herbs, and roots, and these things are so hard to find. I won't say hard to find, but you find one here and then one over there and one over there and one over there, and it doesn't show up in big fields like the wheat and the cabbage. And I'm just too lazy to plant that. I am gonna get some automated farming going pretty soon, eventually. So let's just go ahead and load this up. I'll do that. Put some up on the shelf over here. Put some mushrooms. Put some roots. I'll get some berries up there. And then up here we'll probably uh, put mushroom or berries, herbs, and roots. And I could probably even put the rest in here too. Why not? Since we gotta have room for the cabbages and everything else. That is full. No, it's not. So let's just go ahead and fill it right to the rim. A few more herbs in there. Probably stick a chest in there. Let's do that. Grab a couple of barrels if I have any. Oh, what do you know? I've been busy. No, I haven't. I just happened to luck out and they'd be there. Everything else is empty though, I know that, except for beds. We got plenty of beds. Okay, so let's get this barrel in here. Let's get out of the inventory. We'll put one there, I think, and maybe one there. We won't need to get in here anyway, so that's okay. As long as I can reach that barrel. I can. Good. So I'm just going to stick everything else in here. And now let's see what we got for the rest of this stuff. I will have to hunt down some cabbages, I know that. Got lots of pumpkins though. Oh, we'll drop the meat off over at Hide and Meat. I think it's going to be okay. It's not going to go bad sitting out here. And I didn't take it. Oh well. We'll deal with that later. But let's go and actually just make a table full of pumpkins. Like, better yet, I'll take two pumpkins out here and put them on this shelf if I can reach it. And then I'll put cabbages. Really? Oh, come on. That's lame. Sure, we'll put them in here. I'm gonna put the cabbages on top or mix them up or something. So I'll have to find something else that goes on there. What do we have? It's just wheat is the only other thing that we have. Let's see. Herbs, pumpkin, cabbages, and wheat. Yes. Alright, well, now I'm gonna go and hunt down some green goodness, and not that kind of green goodness, unfortunately. We're talking about a vegetable here. So I'll be back in a moment. Okay, I am back. Luckily, there was a huge cabbage patch over by the old quarry there, so I just used that. So let's go ahead and put that one in there. Maybe like so, and then this one here, we'll put the pumpkins on the bottom. Put the cabbage there, and like so. So there we have it. Maybe we'll even put some cabbages on the shelf here. Probably have to get a few more things on here. Let's see here. Get some of those mushrooms out of here. Put those up there and probably throw some more berries on there. Let's see what we got here. We'll take half a stack out of here and throw it on top. Now there we go. We got the farm market. I need to get a couple of signs here. There's a few other buildings that don't have signs, like this guy here. He doesn't have one. I consider that more engineer more of a residence than anything. He is technically a contractor of sorts, and this is not the sign shop. You should think I've never been here before. Okay. So I'll take one sign. Sure. Yeah, we'll just go with the one sign on this one. Seems kind of dark. Probably just because the torches probably throw the light off a little bit. Come on, there we go. So let's put this right out front here. Fellhaven. I have no torch in my inventory. What? Oh yeah, because I actually have to click in there. Fellhaven Farmers Market. Okay. Yes. Oh, excuse me a moment. Alright, I apologize for that. I had a bit of a phone call there. Oh, that's not what we want. We want to try to do the size. See, I'd like to have it like that. Even that, but having the text broken like that, it just doesn't sit well with me. So we'll just go with that, like so. Leave it there. I'll leave it white, and then for a picture on this one. That would be a good one. Sure. Do this. Put a cabbage on there. Alright, there we go. Our farm market. So now for the next other project, this is something I've been talking about for a while, and I think now is the time to do it. But got the sanctuary here, and I was talking about building a. Oh, I need to eat soon. That's okay. I was talking about setting up a cemetery in the back for all my deaths. I haven't. I honestly don't know how many times I've died in this season. It's just, you know how it is. But yeah, I was thinking about using this back area. I do want to have a wall that's connected to this wall, but unfortunately, as you can see right here, this is the top of the block. This is one block here and one block here. So if it connects, it's either gonna be here or be here, and I wanted it to come out this way a little bit and then go across. But I'm thinking maybe we'll just cut the size down a little bit. If I go over here, if I get over there, the top of this block is right here. I think. You see here. Go by the pillar. Yeah, texture's right here. So this is the block. So that would be a good height for a fence. So I might just tie it right into the corner here. And I'm thinking about using the palisade walls. That's not the menu I'm looking for. There we go. Something like this. Probably something like this. I don't know how many. Wow, it actually uses logs. But this sort of deal here, let's see where it snaps. See what it wants to do. Yes, that's actually good right there. I like that. And we'll have it running across, and there was even a palisade gate, I do believe. Yes, right here. And see how that looks. This could actually be nice, because it's all going to snap to that block. Yeah, so let me get this all laid out, and yeah, and be right back. Okay, so I've got it all done. I also worked a little bit of pathway in here. I went around this side here, connected to the back of the castle. Excuse me, my phone's in the way. Not the first time. And then just tried to work some sort of pathways going around here and whatnot. But I went and put some torches on. Turns out this thing I thought it was on backwards at first. I had to switch the whole thing around. And then I go and put it on and realized that it was on both sides anyway, so I could have had the gate open outwards, but inward works. And I put torches on the back, but for some reason, I can't light them. But that's okay. I'll probably put something else somewhere, and for some reason, I couldn't actually place timber right on top. The top of the buildable area is actually right here, which makes it kind of weird. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and start with a couple of plots here. No, that's not my plow. There's my plow. So this is what my plan is. Yeah, let's do it. Start here. Now, I don't know how many I've lost, how many lives I've lost. I've died a few times. So then just sort of like that, I was thinking about using the shovel to make it look like it was uh, dug up and then filled in, but it would, the way the voxeling works, it wouldn't have really worked out too well. And then just go ahead with the timbers. Should go for something a little longer here, and I'm thinking I'm gonna try to work some different patterns in too. And that they're going to be 4 high. See if I can. And now it's snapping to a totally different area. That is funny. But basically like that. Then we go down a little bit. And there we go. We have a little wooden tombstone. I went ahead and made some metal parts, like the little weights, the same size as the timbers, and then these little things, so maybe we can get a little fancy. So let me get a few more done, and I'll bring you back when we're ready. We are gathered here today to remember the lives that BC lost in this season, in its female form. Sadly, a few of these lives were lost to barbarians. Regrettably, the rest of them were lost to stupidity and carelessness, such as falling down the stairs from the bell tower there or jumping off the wall in the back. And if they had Darwin awards right now, he would most certainly deserve one. But he is a good man. He is a hard-working man. He has a few good ideas, maybe not all the greatest, but every once in a while he does have a good one. But you will always remember BC. You will always be with us, and we will never forget what you have done around here. Rest in peace, my friend. And now, lower your heads for a moment of silence.